Taylor is all the way on the other side, and I am pretty sure she can hear me right now. And I'm barely talking. I don't know if y'all can hear her through the camera.
I can hear him talking over there.
And I can... This is very, very, very strange. It sounds like there's a speaker in front of me and you're coming out of the speaker.
Yeah.
Is that how it sounds to you?
A little bit.
It's very odd. Like, video recording this, it almost sounds like you're coming out of the camera. Barely.
That was whispering.
Can you hear me? Can you hear me? No? Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? Yeah.
Say something real quick.
Can you hear me now? Can you hear me from there?
Maybe over there.
So I've got this random guy. He's testing this out with us too,
Pickles.
and he just said pickles. It is.
My video camera guy.
I'm doing good. You don't mind if we put you on YouTube, do we?
Oh, sure. Don't.
Awesome. I have your permission on film. Cool. Mayonnaise. You should read me another poem.
Roses are red, violets are blue. Most poems rhyme. This one doesn't.